Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Slide is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, so this PPT is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yesterday we have started discussing the MCQ numerical part. We have completed first two. So let us start the third one. So I read it first. A copper strip 2 centimeter wide and 1 mm thick is placed in a magnetic field with 1.5 Weber per meter square. If a current of 200 ampere is set up in the strip, calculate the potential difference which appears across the strip if the number of charge carriers is 8.4 into 10 raised to 28 per meter cube. Now here, first we have to check what are the given things. So current is given, that is 200 ampere. Then magnetic field is 1.5 Weber per meter square. Charge carrier concentration 8.4 into 10 raised to 28 per meter cube. Charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. And thickness is given 1 mm, that is 10 raised to minus 3 meter, 1 into, of course. Now we have to know this equation. Equation आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे कुठला हॉल व्होल्टेज VH is equal to BI upon PET. हे आपण डेरिवेशन मध्ये बघितलेले. VH is nothing but BI upon PET. Okay, so this equation. So instead of P, we are writing N here because by default we have to take the N value for electrons. Then charge, thickness, and current and magnetic field we have to consider here. Now, what are the values? So VH we have to calculate. What is the value of I? It is 200. Value of V 1.5. Now Tesla and Weber per meter square. If any unit come, so its meaning is same. No need for modification because they are equivalent. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So आता तुम्ही काही ठिकाणी टेस्ला बघाल मॅग्नेटिक फील्डची व्हॅल्यू काही ठिकाणी वेबर पर मीटर स्क्वेअर त्यात काही चेंजेस करायची गरज नाहीये ऍज इट इज ती व्हॅल्यू आपण घेतो कॅल्क्युलेशनला सो I into B नेक्स्ट n ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 8.4 into 10 raised to 28 चार्ज and small t, that is thickness 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. So everyone calculate and check whether you are getting this value 22 microvolt. So everybody calculate and check the answer. You can use calculator or in mobile also you can calculate. So after calculation, check what you are getting. What is the answer?
2.18 into 10 raised to minus 5 volt.
Okay, 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, everyone is getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, from boys side.
No, sir.
Yes. So 2.18. So approximately we have written as a 2.2. That is 22 microvolt. Just we have adjusted 10 raised to power and written the final answer. Now we go for next value. Next is a current of 50 ampere is established in a slab of copper 0.5 centimeter thick and 2 centimeter wide. The slab is placed in a magnetic field capital P of 1.5 Tesla. The magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the slab and to the current. The free electron concentration in copper is 8.48 into 10 to 28 electron per meter cube. What will be the magnitude of all voltage across the width of the slab? Okay, so here we have to calculate these things, but first check what are the given things. Okay, so given things are current, which is 50 ampere, then capital P 1.5 Tesla or 1.5 Weber per meter square, no problem. Then N is 8.4 into 10 is to 28 per meter cube. So you can consider this as 8.4 only. So maybe the correction. Then charge value we know, and what is remaining thickness, which is half centimeter, that is 0.5 into 10 is to minus 2 meter. So same equation or same value we are using here, that is VH is equal to PI upon NET. So put the values and calculate and check whether you are getting this answer. तर मगाचंच इक्वेशन आहे इथे सुद्धा आणि आपल्याला तेच यूज करून कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे. फक्त जर न्यूमेरिकल बघितलं तर त्याची लँग्वेज वेगळी येते किंवा व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला काही वेगळ्या दिलेल्या असतात. So don't get confused by the language of that numerical. Just see what are the given things and what we have to calculate. आता इथे जर बघितलं तर शेवटी काय लिहिलंय, what will be the magnitude of all voltage, म्हणजे आपल्याला VH काढायचं आहे इथं. ठीक आहे, आणि मगाचं न्यूमेरिकल बघितलं तर काय होतं त्यात, कॅल्क्युलेट द PD म्हणजे काय, पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स विच अपियर्स, म्हणजे काय, हॉल व्होल्टेज सगळे. तर हे लक्षात घ्या, इट्स अ चेंज इन लँग्वेज ओनली, meaning should be same and we have to calculate the same thing. So put these values and check whether you are getting this answer or not.
Answer is 1.116, sir.
Yes, microvolt unit, is it correct? Means 1.116 into 10 to minus 6 volt or 1.116 microvolt. Everyone is getting this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So I request each and everyone calculate this, because I have told you during written exam numericals are there with optional of course, but they are there, and if MCQ exam or online exam is there, so in that case 1 mark MCQ numerical will come, depends. So for that we have to get ready in all sense. That's why we have to practice each and everything. तर मगाचं आणि आत्ताचं न्यूमेरिकल बघितलं तर एकच इक्वेशन आहे, फक्त जी प्रॉब्लेमची जी लँग्वेज आहे तर ती वेगळी आहे किंवा स्टाईल वेगळी. एका ठिकाणी पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स म्हटले, दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ फॉल व्होल्टेज म्हटले. तर याचा अर्थ म्हणजे काय, VH काढायचंय, एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the last one we have to complete. I read it. A copper strip 4 centimeter wide and 0.5 mm thick carries a current of 100 ampere. It is placed, so some corrections are there. It is placed in a magnetic field of induction 2 Weber per meter square, acting at right angles to the strip. A Hall potential difference 29.7 into 10 raised to minus 6 volt appears across its edge. Find number 1 Hall electric field, number 2 the number of charge carriers per meter cube. Now in this case we have to calculate two terms. जसं आपण एक न्यूमेरिकल बघितलं होतं. So first term is Hall electric field, that is EH, and second is value of N, that is concentration of electrons or number of charge carriers in meter cube. So what is the value of EH? EH is nothing but VH upon W. आता आपल्याला VH व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे का, तर डायरेक्टली VH व्हॅल्यू दिलेली. W म्हणजे काय, विड्थ दिलेली आहे का, विड्थ पण दिलेली. So if you put these values we can easily calculate the Hall electric field. Next what we have to calculate, the number of charge carriers. The number of charge carriers म्हणजे काय, concentration of holes किंवा concentration of electrons. ते कुठेतरी या इक्वेशन मध्ये आहे, VH is equal to BI upon NET. तर आपल्याला काय काढायचंय, N काढायचंय. त्यामुळे N ला आपण शिफ्ट केले LHS ला, VHS येणार इथं, आणि इक्वेशन काय होणार, N is equal to BI upon VH ET. Now all the values are with us. B किती दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला, 2 Weber per meter square. 2 into I, it is 100. Then next VH value आपल्याला माहिती. Then next E, it is a constant, and small t is nothing but 0.5 mm, that is 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So after calculation we are getting the charge carrier concentration, which is nothing but 8.4 into 10 raised to 28 per meter cube. So I request everyone you cross check this. पहिल्यांदा EH ची व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करा.
EH
बघा,
7.42.
पहिला पार्ट झाला न्यूमेरिकलचा. त्यानंतर सेकंड पार्ट मध्ये VH चे इक्वेशन आणि N ची व्हॅल्यू येते का चेक करा.
So N is equal to 8.417.
Just a minute. So not audible. Please repeat.
N is equal to 8.417.
8.413 का, 413 म्हणताय का,
7.
417.
So some problem is there related to this headphone. Please tell once again.
N is equals to 8.417.
Okay, so approximately 8.4 it is written. It is accurately this one, it is correct. So please everyone check and calculate whether you are getting the same thing. So what about first one? It is correct. EH ची व्हॅल्यू बरोबर आहे का?
Yes, sir.
And small n also calculate. Okay, so have you calculated? Everyone is getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I am doing, I'm changing the values slightly, and now you have to calculate this and tell me what is the answer. So instead of 4, here you take 3 centimeter. This is 0.4 mm thick. Then instead of 100, it is 110. Then magnetic field as it is. And this you take 28. 28.7. 28.7 again. Okay, and now calculate and tell me what is the value of EH and what is the value of N. Take your time and calculate both the values, and then we will check what is the answer. Width है 3 centimeter, thickness है 0.4, current है 110 ampere, potential difference है 28.7.
Sir.
Anything you want to share? So what about EH?
7.17 into 10 raised to minus 4.
7.17 into 10 raised to minus 4 factor same, or it gets changed, or it is as it is. Is it correct? 7.17.
No, sir.
9.5. 9.566.
9.56.
9.56 into 10 raised to 4.
9.56.
9.56.
Sir.
So that's why I'm requesting everyone check this one. Purposefully I have changed the value so that everyone can think on that and calculate. Now go for second. In that, put the new values and what is the value of N. Calculate and tell me. So make mistake, no problem. बरोबर येईल चुकीचे येईल पण प्रयत्न करताय, that is important. So you should try, everyone. Anyone calculated N value? So share me, what is your answer?
10.88.
8.88.
10.88. 10 point.
किती म्हणताय?
10.
10 point.
10.
Okay, so something is problem in this headphone, that's why I'm not getting you clearly. 10.88 म्हटलं का?
Yes, sir. Into 10 raised to 28.
Okay, power is same.
Yes.
Sir, 5.3872
5.3872
into 10 raised to 28.
okay, So in case of EH, two answers are there. यातलं कुठलं correct आहे? First का second?
Second.
Second.
This 9.56 is correct.
Yes, sir.
5.38.
ठीक आहे. आणि n ची व्हॅल्यू यातली कुठली बरोबर आहे? 10.88 का 5.38? Which is correct?
Second.
5.38.
5.38. Any other answer? या चेंज झालेल्या व्हॅल्यूज पुट करा काय. त्यामध्ये मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड तसंच ठेवलंय. ठीक आहे. करंटची व्हॅल्यू आपण बदलली आहे. 100 च्या ऐवजी 110 घ्या. त्यानंतर 29.7 च्या ऐवजी 28.7 घ्या. कॉन्स्टंट ऍज इट इज. थिकनेस पण आपण बदललेला आहे. 2.4 आहे.
9.56.
किती म्हणताय?
9.56.
9.56 EH ची व्हॅल्यू ना.
हा.
आणि n ची व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करा प्रत्येक जण.
11.98.
Yes, sir. 11.98 into 10 raised to 20.
28.
किती येत आहे?
Yes.
11.97.
11.98.
ओके. 9798
11.97.
पकडतो मी.
10 to
11.98.
the power.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
10 to 28.
Okay, power is same.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me, those who have told this answer 5.38, is it correct, or you want to go for after calculation this value?
So value third. 11.98 is correct.
11.98. Right answer.
11.98, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I
because
got it.
I am waiting for fourth one so that it becomes MCQ. Okay. So I repeat, for EH 9.56 is correct one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And for small n, it is 11.98 into 10 raised to 28. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what we are doing, this is our last numerical. So everyone participate, everyone calculate, make mistake, no problem. Because if you are doing mistake, it is not a crime. No one is punish you. And if you are correct, absolutely, there is no Nobel Prize for you right now. Okay. So that mentor and mentee meeting is remaining for C3 batch. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
So what we are doing right now, we have completed successfully our first chapter, and I have 10 to 12 more minutes. So what we are doing now, I will take attendance first for our lecture, and then I will give instruction to you. Just I will check the numbers, absent numbers, of course. Roll number 10, 15, 20, 27, 29, 30, 32, 35, 37, 38, 49, so last series everyone is present. 61, 62, 20 is present. Abhijit, are you there? Then next is 35. So instruction to all the student to go for the eligibility form. That link is provided to you, and everyone complete that thing today itself. If you have some problems regarding mobile for uploading the photo and sign, काही जणांचा फोटो साइन जर अपलोड होत नसतील तर आपले जे मोबाईल क्लिनिंग असतं म्हणजे कॅचे फाइल्स असतात ज्या फाईल आपल्या आधी मेमरी मध्ये असतात तर त्या काही क्लिअर करा आणि त्याच्यानंतर अपलोड करायचं ट्राय करा किंवा मग जर पीसी असेल तर पीसी वरील लिंक थ्रू आपण ओपन करून ते कंप्लीट करू शकतो. ओके, so I repeat the numbers. Please tell me if you are present here. Roll number 10, 15, 27, 29, 30, 32.
15 present, sir.
15 present. त्यानंतर 37 आहेत.
सर 30 पण
30 आहेत. Then 38. 38 absent. 49, 61, 62. Okay. So we stop here, and within 2 minutes, C3 batch you have to join once again. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
C3 batch म्हणजे 43 ते लास्ट जे 62 तर तुम्ही लगेच जॉइन व्हा. विदिन 5 to 7 minutes we will complete.
पुढचं लेक्चर नाही सर 3 ते 4.
पुढचं लेक्चर 3 वाजताचं 3:02 किंवा 3:05 ला चालू होईल. ओके.
Yes, sir.